Good morning to all the first year students and welcome to Zoology online class. So, previously I had discussed about some biological terms, habit, habitats, and in the previous class I have described the animals association, and due to the bad weather I could not proceed, that is the more. So let me start. What is the basis of classification? What is the basis of classification? Basis of classification means my topic is animal kingdom. So what is the basis of classification? Basis of classification means that is the basis of classification. Basis of classification. That is, the animal classification has been made depending upon the different structure, but certain structures are present, certain common structures are present in all the individuals, that is, which are called as the fundamental features, which are present in all the individuals, and it has been seen that in lower animals it is present in that is the simple way, and in higher animals it has been gradually increased. That is like the evolutionary trends, that means everything starts from the simple, clear, and proceeds towards the complex. Similarly, there are certain characters or the certain features which are called as the fundamental features present in all the individuals, and it is present in simple form in a lower grade of animals, and it become, that is the complex, in higher grade of animals, and these are called as the fundamental features, and it has been increased in the evolutionary strength. Clear? So, and what are these? So that is the fundamental structures or features. These are the body symmetry, arrangement of the cell in the body, and the nature of coelom, and that the body symmetry, nature of coelom, and the body structures, etc. Clear? So first of all, you come to the level of organization. First of all, that is, you come to the level of organization. That is the level of organization. That is the level of organization. You first come to the level of organization. That is the level of organization. That is, animals are divided depending upon the level of organization into 5 levels. So what are these? Let me describe one by one. First of all, you come to the protoplasmic level. Protoplasmic level. What is protoplasmic level? Here, that is the main heading is the level of organization. That is how the body has been, formed. So this is the protoplasmic level, and this type of organization is found in case of the unicellular organisms. In unicellular organisms, that is called as the protoplasmic level of organization, where all the, that is the body activity are confined within its protoplasm. Do you know what is protoplasm? If you imagine the cell, this is, suppose this is the cell and this is the nucleus and this is the cytoplasm. This is the cytoplasm. So this nucleus and this is the cytoplasm is combinedly called as, so this is the nucleus and the cytoplasm, it is combinedly called as the protoplasm. So all the activity of the organisms is confined within the cytoplasm or the protoplasm. So this type of animals are the, that is unicellular animals, mainly the protozoans. Proto means first, zoon means animal. They are the simple animals and they are the unicellular animals. So that is the first level of, that is the body organization is a protoplasmic level of, that is the protoplasmic level. The protoplasmic level means that is the body organization, or that is the protozoan, it is found in protozoans. All the activity of the body are confined within the cytoplasms or the protoplasm. This is called as the, that is the protoplasmic level. Then you come to the second one, this is called as the cellular level. That is the cellular level. What is the cellular level? Cellular level means here the body is composed of many cells. Here the body is composed of many cells with, that is the divisions of labor. Suppose that is, it is made of, the body is made up of hundreds number of cells. Some cells are doing this one and this work, and some other cells are, that is the performing other function, and other cells are performing other function, like that. Kichi kichi cell ye kamo se kamo se kamo koribe, but actually that is the, it is, that is the cell performs different function, but they do not form the definite tissue or the tissue layer, where there is also no nervous coordination. There is no nervous coordination. And this type of animals, example, your porifera or the sponges, your porifera, or it is the sponges. Are you understanding me or not? Here, the body organization or the level of organization is, that is the combination of a large number of cells. It is, the body has been formed by the combination of a large number of cells with the division of levers. But here these cells has been not confined, or they have not converted into actual tissue, or they are not arranged in a tissue layer. Clear? And another is that there is no, that is the nervous coordination. Here the nervous system is, that is the absent, or the nervous coordination is absent. That is, the cellular level means here the body is made up of a large number of cells, and these cells are not, that is the differentiated into the tissue, but they have different, that is the work. So that is the division of work is present here. The division of work is present here, but that is here the, that is the nervous or the nervous coordination is absent here. That is the nervous coordination, or there is no nervous system. Then you come to the tissue level. Then you come to the tissue level, and it is the example is the sponges. Then you come to the tissue level. Actually the tissue level is not found. Here it is made up of a large number of cells like the sponges or the cellular level, but they are arranged in different layers. But they are arranged in a different layer. But actually tissue is not found. But actually that is the tissue is not found here. And it is found in case of the coelentrates like Hydra. Like Hydra, where that is the poorly defined tissue is there. And that is the, because the cells are arranged in, that is the two layers. Clear? But the division of labor is confined here. That is the within the cells, the division of labor is confined. But here that is actually tissue has not formed. So in some books it has been written that this is called as the cell tissue level. Cell tissue level. It is found in multicellular animals like coelenterate, that is hydra, where the cells of same functions are arranged to form that is the poorly defined tissue, as the cells are arranged in 2 layers. एटा poorly defined tissue कहउची कारण एटी सेल गुडा के अरेंज होइचंती दीटा लेयर रे, किंतु प्रकृत रे टिश्यू नाही, दैट इज एपिथेलियल टिश्यू, मसल टिश्यू, कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, नर्वस टिश्यू, तुम सब हाई स्कूल ले पढ़िछ ए प्रकार एठी दैट इज द टिश्यू इज नॉट फाउंड. सो जोटी एक्चुअली टिश्यू आसीबो सेठी ऑर्गन तयारी हे जिवो. Clear? So this is the tissue level of organization. That is here the cells आस्ते आस्ते आमे प्रथमे कौन शिखु ना ए शिखु, तापर कौन शिखिबु आंट शिखिबु, तापर कौन शिखिबु ना एरोप्लेन शिखिबु, तापर एरोप्लेन शिखिबु. साधारणतः एटी आस्ते आस्ते कौन हुए ना सिंपल रु कॉम्प्लेक्स. मु प्रथम रु कहिछि सबु जिंस इवोल्यूशनरी स्ट्रैंड अनुसार बा सबु बेले मन रखिथिबो नेचर लव्स सिमेट्री. सबु बेले पृथ्वी रे सबु जिंस गुटिए समान प्रकार रे हुए. क्लियर? दैट इज आमे जेमिति प्रथमे ए शिखुचे, तापर एंट शिखुचे, तापर एरोप्लेन शिखुचे, सेमिति जेतले बॉडीटा तयारी हेछि प्रथमे सिंपल रु आस्ते आस्ते कॉम्प्लेक्स आड़ी के जाइछि. दैट इज द इवोल्यूशनरी स्ट्रैंड, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द इवोल्यूशनरी ट्रेंड. क्लियर? सो नेचर लव्स सिमेट्री. सब बेले मन रखिबो नेचर लव्स सिमेट्री. सब बेले नेचर रे सब जिंस एक प्रकार रे हुए हला. जेमिति फैमिलीटा बढ़िले जेतले गोटे फैमिली रे 5 जन अछंती डिवीजन हबनी, जेतले गोटे फैमिली रे 100 जन हे जिवे, दैट इज मेंबर 100 जन हे जिवे, सेटा कोन हबो ना डिवीजन हबो, गुडाय फैमिली रे परिणत हबो. ठीक सेमिति गोटे सेल जेतले तार साइटोप्लाज्म अमाउंट बढ़े ताडी आस्ते आस्ते सेटा कोन हुए ना सेल डिवीजन हुए. क्लियर? लाइक दैट. सेमिति दैट इज प्रकृत रे तुमको बुझीबार अछि कोन ना सबुठारु स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट किए बॉडी रो. व्हाट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ द बॉडी? दैट इज द सेल. क्लियर? यू शुड न्यू फास्ट. दैट इज द व्हाट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ द बॉडी? दैट इज द सेल. क्लियर? The cell. The cells are combinedly to forms the tissue. That is, you know the functions or the definition of the tissue. A group of that is the cells having similar origin, similar development and performing the same function is called as tissue. सेमानकर ओरिजिन गोटे होइथिबो गोटे रु आ सेमानकर डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेसटा समान होइथिबो आ सेमाने गोटे प्रकार रा काम करूथिबे. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द टिश्यू. टिश्यू गुडा को मिसिले हुए ऑर्गन्स. टिश्यू गुडा के मिसिले हुए ऑर्गन्स. ऑर्गन्स के माने करो दैट इज द हमर खाद्यनळी. खाद्यनळी गुडा ऑर्गन्स, लिवर गोटे ऑर्गन, पेनक्रीज गोटे ऑर्गन, एंड the organs are combinedly to forms organ system. Organ system. गुड़ाए organ जेतले मिसी जीवो गुटे काम करूथबो, that is called as the organ system. Are you understanding me or not? What is system? System कहले when that is more than one organs combinedly performs a common function is called as the system. Clear? सपोज मु कहबी डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम माने हजम प्रक्रिया रे जो गुडाक अच्छी खाद्यनली, लिवर, दैट इज द पेनक्रीज, एगुड़ाक सबू मिसिकी होची पार्टी, जीभ, एगुड़ाक सबू मिसिकी होची डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. क्लियर? डिफरेंट ऑर्गन, पार्टी गोटे ऑर्गन, जीभ गोटे ऑर्गन, दांत गोटे ऑर्गन, खाद्यनली गोटे ऑर्गन, लिवर गोटे ऑर्गन, पेनक्रीज गोटे ऑर्गन. दिस आर द ऑर्गन, अंग. ए अंग सब मिसिले हबो ऑर्गन सिस्टम. गुडाए ऑर्गन सिस्टम हेले गोटे ऑर्गेनिज्म हबो. गुडाए ऑर्गन सिस्टम हेले गोटे ऑर्गेनिज्म सब. आर यू क्लियर? दैट इज जतले सेल माने स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट व्हेन द सेल्स that is the number of cells it forms the tissue. ता ऊपर लेवल होची organs. organs धर that is कहबा जे हमरो हार्ट गोटे organ हला. हार्ट भितरे किछि मसल अछि, कनेक्टिव टिश्यू अछि, एपिथेलियल टिश्यू अछि, नर्वस टिश्यू अछि, एंड that is they are present. त माने टिश्यू गुडा का मिसिले हबो organs. गुड़ाए ऑर्गन मिसिले जो दैट इज दी जो फंक्शन करे दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द ऑर्गन सिस्टम सपोज डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम that is digestive system रे alimentary canal that is the pancreas liver respiratory system रे lungs nasal chamber trachea bronchus etc and that is the circulatory system रे blood that is blood vessel artery and vein and heart so these are the organs and when that is many organs that is combinedly performs a common function that is called as the organ system when that is the combination of a large number of system it will forms the organism it will forms the organism ଆମ body ଭିତରେ circulatory system ଅଛି digestive system ଅଛି respiratory system ଅଛି ଆଉ reproductive system ଅଛି ସବୁ ମିଶିକି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ organism ତିଆରି ହେଇଛୁ ଯଦି ତା ଭିତରେ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ organ ଖରାପ ହୁଏ ଯେମିତି ମୋଟର ସାଇକେଲ ଗୁଡ଼ାଏ ବ୍ରେକ୍ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଜେନେରେଟିଂ ସିଷ୍ଟମ एक्सेलरेटर सिस्टम सब सिस्टम सब अलग अलग तो सब सिस्टम मिसिले से मोटरसाइकेलटा चलुची जदि गोटे सिस्टम खराब होबो तो मोटरसाइकेल चलिबो नाही सेमिति आम बॉडी जदि गोटे सिस्टम खराब होबो आम बॉडी आदु मेंटेन करि परिबो नाही सिमिलरली एटा आस्ते आस्ते जेमिति डेवलप होइछि सेमिति जतल किछि एनिमल अछंती केवल सेलुलर लेवल सेल लेवल दे आर कॉल्ड एज द प्रोटोप्लाज्मिक लेवल किछि अछंती किछि सेल गुडा को मिसिवे बट दे आर नॉट कन्वर्टेड इनटू टिश्यू एक्चुअल टिश्यू को डेफिनेशन को समान कन्फाइंड करू नाहंती से माने हेले सेलुलर लेवल ऑल द स्पंजेस आर यू अंडरस्टैंड मी देन जे टिश्यू लेवल एक्चुअली टिश्यू लेवल नाही सेठी सेल माने केवल दीटा लेयर रे अरेंज करचंती बुली तांको टिश्यू लेवल कोहाउछ एटा सिलेंट्रेट ग्रुप रे बट डिविजन ऑफ लेबर्स इज दैट इज कन्फाइंड विथ देम से मानक भितर डिविजन ऑफ लेबर अछि एक्चुअली टिश्यू से मान कोहा जीव नै किंतु सेटा को टिश्यू लेवल धरा होउची किछि बहिरे ताको कहउचंती सेलुलर टिश्यू लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स क्लियर सेलुलर टिश्यू लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स देन यू कम टू द दैट इज द ऑर्गन forming of organ that is the organ that is level then another level is called as the organ level means here the organ has been formed clear the organ has formed here that is the tissue कोठी कोटे टिश्यू एमती स्वतंत्र नाही टिश्यू जेट रहिछि सेठी सेटा ऑर्गन हेइ जाइछि क्लियर कहीं ना मुझे प्रथम टिश्यू मिसिले ऑर्गन हम तेणु इट इज ए ऑर्गन लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म एटा किए ना प्लाटीहेलमिन्थिस फ्लाट दैट इज द फेसियोला प्लाटीहेलमिन्थिस रे एटा होछि फेसियोला दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द ऑर्गन लेवल ऑफ दैट इज द organ level of organisms clear then you come to the last one that is called as the organ system organisms clear organ system organisms organ system are you clear that is the organ system organisms organ system organisms organ system organism means here that is the organs that is the combination of different organs to forms the organ system and you will find this type of example is Nemathelminthes 2 chordates Nemathelminthes 2 all chordates so what is chordate I will tell you later on and Nemathelminthes means जो round worm जो गोल कुर्मी है Nemathelminthes means that is the round worm that is to all chordates means that is the notochord जो माने के vertebrate protochordate एटा all chordates clear then you come to the this is all about the organ system that is the organ system of organisms so that is the level of under the level of organization the first one is protoplasmic level the second one is cellular level the third one is tissue level then the fourth one is organ level of organism then the fifth level that is called as the organ system organisms clear so that is the everything has been developed from simple to complex way Everything has been developed from simple to complex way. That is your classification or everything that is the developed from simple to complex way. Then you come to that is the body level. That is called as the body plans. That is called as the body plans. Body plans. Here the body, in which way the body has been formed. So this is the compositions of the body, but that is the organ level, that is the level of organization that is the combination of that is the cells. That is how the body has been formed with the cells, then it is by the tissue, then it is by the organs, and then by the organ system. Then it is that is called as the body plans. The body plans. Body plans means here you will found three varieties of body plans are there. In which way the body has been formed. Clear? That is the three levels or the three levels or three types of that is the body plans are there. Clear? The first one is called as the cellular plan. Cellular. That is the first one is called as the cell aggregation. That is the cell. The first one is called as the cell aggregate body plan. Cell aggregate body plan. That means that is the cell aggregate body plans. That is body plan. That is what is the cell aggregate body plan. The cell aggregate body plan is where the body has been formed by the combination of cells, Here that is the body plans. Here the body has been formed by the combination of the cells. Clear? They have not formed the tissue, and this type of that is the body plans are found in sponges or in porifera. That is here. That is here the body of the organism is formed by the aggregation of a number of loose cells which do not aggregate to form the tissue or the organs but functions in a different way. Clear? And this is called as the body. That is the cells are functioning different function, or that is different cells are performing different function, but all total they are all total that is the functions for one individual. So this is called as the cell aggregate body plan. So the body has been formed by a number of loose cell, where the division of labor is present. They are not the actual tissue, but the different functions of different cells combinedly helps to exist for an animal. Then you come to the blind sac plan. The blind sac plan. This is first one. Then the second one is called as the blind sac plan. Blind sac plan. What is blind sac plan? Blind sac means tholi. Sac mane tholi. Blind mane andho. Eta kon aithibo? Eta gutte side re khula thibo, a gutte side re bond thibo. Are you understanding me or not? ଯେମିତି ଥଳି ବା ଝୁଲାରେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଥାଏ, ଗୋଟେ ସାଇଡ୍ ଖୋଲା ଥାଏ, ମଝିରେ ଗୋଟେ ବିରାଟ ବଡ଼ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦି କେଭିଟି ଥାଏ, ଆଉ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଗୋଟେ ସାଇଡ୍ରେ ଖୋଲା ଥାଏ, ଏପଟଟା ବନ୍ଦ ଥାଏ। କ୍ଲିୟର? ଠିକ୍ ସେମିତି ଏଠି ବ୍ଲାଇଣ୍ଡ ସେକ୍ ପ୍ଲାନ୍, ହିୟର ଦି ବଡି ଇଜ୍ arranged, or here the body is formed in this type of a plan here, like the hydra. Clear? Here this tissue grade of plants or tissue level of that is the body organization here. Clear? This type of here the body is, that is the blind sac, that is the body is like a sac with a single cavity. The body is like a sack or tholi bhaliya with a large cavity at the center having one outlet. Gutia outlet thibo, and it performs as a mouth and it also performs as the anus. Mouth dwara khadya asibo, anus dwara undigested food ta bahari jibo. So this is called as the blind sac plan. Then another you come to the third level, that is अरे सेटा जहाँ एटा से खाली बुले वाले की लिखिंट सेटा थिला that is the body level or that is the level of organization. एटा होची body plan. से सेल गुड़ा का organization करके किमिति body टा को तैयारी करचंदी. गुटा होची cellular aggregate body plan, आउ गुटा होची blind sac plan, आउ गुटे कहूची जे that is a tube within a tube plan. Tube within a tube plan. That is, here the body has been formed by a tube within a tube plan. What is a tube within a tube plan? You see here, that is here, this is a tube like structure. एटा थिला ब्लाइंड सेक रे एपटा बंद थिला ना एटा खुला थिला ए पाखटा बंद थिला तापर आस्ते आस्ते आउ टिके डेवलप कला ता माने दी साइड खुली गला एपटे पसिबो दिस इज माउथ एपटे बाहरी जीवो दिस इज एनस एपटे पसिबो माउथ एपटे बाहरी जीवो दिस इज एनस एंड दिस इज द एलिमेंटरी कैनाल. Or you can say that the digestive system and this is the outer is called as the body wall. Outer ta rahibo body wall au bhitar ta rahibo khadya nali ba elementary wall ba digestive ear au ya bhitare fluid filled area rahibo ta bhitare onnanya organ guda ka rahibo. So this is a tube within a tube body plan. ता माने गोटे नेरो ट्यूब रहिबो गोटे वाइड ट्यूब भितरे वाइड ट्यूब टा हला बॉडी वॉल आ नेरो ट्यूब टा हला दैट इज द एलिमेंटरी कैनाल और डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. क्लियर. डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम रो गोटे एंड टा हबो माउथ जो बाटे खाद्य टा पसिबो आर एंड टा हबो एनस जो बाटे अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड टा बाहरी जीवो आउ ये आ भितरे सब जो सेल अछि ए माने लाइंड हेतिबे कोन ना फॉर दैट इज द सीक्रेट एज वेल एज द एब्जॉर्ब द डाइजेस्टेड फूड मटेरियल सीक्रेट द डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम जादारे केटा हजम हबो आ हजम हेइ साला परे हजम खाद्यडा ता देरे एब्जॉर्ब हबो आउ ता भितरे इमिति मेकानिज्म थिबो जोटा की फूड टा को आस्ते आस्ते चलै की एंटीरियर आडो पोस्टीरियर आड की नबो. क्लियर. बॉडी वॉल टा आउटर सरफेस टा ऑन किमिति थिबो ना इट इज वेरी सेंसिटिव फॉर द इट विल कंटेन्स द दैट इज द प्रोटेक्टिव इन नेचर आउ एटा सेंसिटिव हबो बाहर जते प्रकार एनवायरनमेंट रो चेंज होउथबो से सब प्रकार रो चेंज टाकू से रिसीव करी की बॉडी की जणाइबो जा द्वारा की बॉडी बैलेंस बा इक्विलिब्रियम मेंटेन करि परिबो. सो दिस इज ए बॉडी दैट इज ए ट्यूब विदिन ए ट्यूब बॉडी प्लान. दैट इज द प्लान सेटी जहां हमें पढिले दैट इज लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एठी होची बॉडी प्लान सेटी लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कौन ना किमिति बॉडीटा तैयारी होइछि कोउथरे तैयारी किछि सेल रे गुटे सेल रे तैयारी प्रोटोप्लाज्मिक लेवल मेंचे सेल रे सेलुलर लेवल सेल गुडा को रहिचंती तांका भितरे किछि किछि कार्य बंटन होइछि दीटा लेयर रे अरेंज होइचंती दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द टिश्यू लेवल और सेलुलर टिश्यू लेवल. तापर सेटा कोन हला प्लाटियल मिंथ केस रे सेटा ऑर्गन हे गला दैट इज ऑर्गन फॉर्मिंग लेवल. देन आफ्टर ऑर्गन गुडा के कंबाइंड है कि गोटे पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन कले दैट इज सिस्टम ऑर्गन सिस्टम दैट इज द ऑर्गन सिस्टम लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. क्लियर. किंतु एठी जस्ट सही सेल गुडा किमिति बॉडी भितरे अरेंज होइके रहिले दैट इज द बॉडी प्लान. दैट इज बॉडी प्लान. फर्स्ट वन सेल एग्रीगेट बॉडी प्लान. त माने एठी गुडाए सेल सब मिसी के लूज सेल सब रहिले तांका भितरे डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर हबो एटा सब स्पंज रे हला आउ एटा गला दैट इज द सेल एग्रीगेट बॉडी प्लान. सब सेल माने गुटे तांकर काम सब अलग अलग रहिबो किंतु समस्तकर काम गुटे एनिमल रो दैट इज द सब काम गुड़ाक मिसी गुटे एनिमल रो बंचिबा पई जो छु दरकार से सब काम से माने मेंटेन करिवे जादर के एनिमलटा रही पारिबो सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द सेल एग्रीगेट बॉडी प्लान तापर आसबा ब्लाइंड सेक प्लान एटी कोन हिची ना एटी बॉडी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इट इज अ मल्टी सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म किंतु यार बॉडी दैट इज द एटी ब्लाइंड सेक जेमिति थळी भितर सेक माने थळीटा जेमिति गोटे साइड बंद होता गोटे साइड खोला होता है सेमिति आ भितर गोटे कैविटी रहिबो कैविटीर ऊपर मुंडटा खोला रहिबो एटा बोथ काम करिवो माउथ पई एज वेल एज द एनस एबाटे खाद्य आसीबो खाद्य भी अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड बाहर को जीवो आउ एपटटा बंद क्लियर एठी दीटा लेयर रहिबो दैट इज दीटा लेयर सेल गुडाक सजै कि रहिबे आउटरटा रहिबो एक्टोडर्म डार्म मीन्स लेयर एक्टो मीन्स आउट आ भितरटा रहिबो एंडोडर्म आ मझिरे गोटे जेली लाइक लेयर रहिबो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द मेसोग्लिया ए मेसोग्लियाटा नॉन सेलुलर जेली लाइक पानी भलिया लेयर रहिबो ए पानी भलिया लेयरटा केउटु आसिला ना एक्टोडर्म सेल आ एंडोडर्म सेल सो सिक्रेट करके एट रखिले सो दिस इज ए ब्लाइंड सेक प्लान तापरे हायर केस रे तामरे हमर चालिबो कोउटु ना फ्रॉम दी निमेंथेलिमिंथिस कतुरु एटा चालिबो अप टू कोडेट्स दैट इज ए ट्यूब विद इन ए ट्यूब प्लान ता माने गोटे ट्यूब ऊपर गोटे ट्यूब भितर आ गोटे ट्यूब रही है गोटे नेरो ट्यूब गोटे वाइड ट्यूब रे रही नेरो ट्यूबटा डाइजेस्टिव कैनाल बा एलिमेंटरी कैनाल आउ बाहर ट्यूबटा वाइड ट्यूबटा होची बॉडी वालटा दैट इज प्रोटेक्टिव इन नेचर एंड इट कंटेन्स द नर्वस सिस्टम सेंस ऑर्गन व्हिच रिसीव्स द दैट इज द स्टिमुली फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड एंड दैट इज द दैट इज इंड्यूस और इन्फॉर्म्स दैट इज द बॉडी टू मेंटेन द इक्विलिब्रियम clear and at the inner layer that is the inner tube containing the cilia digestive glands etc which helps to digest the food material and to absorb the digested food material as well as to that is the pass the food from anterior to posterior clear and in between these two tube there is a fluid filled area and which contains a large number of organs or different organs to perform the different functions of the body so this is all about the body plan then the according to the that is the tube within a tube clear that is it is again of two types what is that one is protostome that is it is again of two types that is a tube within a tube it contains the inner that is the tube is that is called as the alimentary canal and guta hochi protostome a guta hochi deuterostome one is protostome and another deuterostome one is protostome another is deuterostome that is what is protostomes and what is deuterostomes stomes means mouth stomes means mouth proto means fast that is this tube within a tube animals the tube that is the animals which are made up of a tube within a tube plan they are of two types से माने दी प्रकार गोटे है प्रोटोस्टोम्स आ गोटे है ड्यूटेरोस्टोम्स प्रोटोस्टोम्स कौन प्रोटो मीन्स फास्ट स्टोम मीन्स माउथ हियर द माउथ appears first and the anus appears later on from the embryonic blastopore तमे वर्तमान कहबो व्हाट इज द embryonic blastopore clear so first of all you come to the गोटे स्पर्म आसीबो गोटे डिंबाणु आसीबो गोटे स्पर्म गोटे ओभम ए दीटा आसिले कौन हुए ना दिस इज द जाइगट बा जुग्मज क्लियर जाइगसटा कौन हम आस्ते आस्ते माइटोटिक डिविजन हम गोटे सेल दीटा सेल चार्टा हम एमती गुड़ाए सेल हम गोटे सॉलिड स्ट्रक्चर हो सॉलिड बल्ब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर हम ताको कहती मोरोला ए मोरोलाटा आस्ते आस्ते गोटे एम्प्टी बल्ब हम एम्प्टी बल्ब तामाने गोटे लेयर सेल गुड़ाक सजेकी रहिबे मझिरे गोटे कैविटी रहिबो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द ब्लास्टोसील क्लियर एंड एटा गोटे लेयर सेल गुड़ाक सजेकी रहिबे एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द ब्लास्टुला ए ब्लास्टुलाटा कौन हम ना डबल लेयर हम यहाँ एमती डबल लेयर हम क्लियर डबल लेयर है माने एमती बालटा एमती गोटे साइड चापी देले जेमती हम सेमती हम यहाँ इट इज डबल लेयर क्लियर सो ओपनिंग जोटा हम जो एटा जो नुआ कैविटी तैयारी हला दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द आर्केंटेरन क्लियर ये जो एपारेचर भाया रहिबो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द ब्लास्टोपोर एटा मु देखौची ए प्रकार डेवलपमेंटा आम समस्तंकर हुए जेतेबेले आमर ए जो स्पर्म ओवम डेवलपमेंट हे एटिके आसला ए जे डबल लेयर हे गला एटा को कहंती गेस्ट्रोला तापर एटा तीनटा लेयर हबो एक्टोडर्म मेसोडर्म एंडोडर्म एटा तीनटा लेयर हम एक्टो मिजो एंड एंडो क्लियर साधारणतः आर्केंटेरनटा ये जो आर्केंटेरन कैविटी है यहीटा तैयारी हुए एलिमेंटरी कैनाल बा खाद्य नली की एटा कन्वर्ट हुए जदि ए ब्लास्टोपोरटा माउथ हुए आउ अपोजिट एंड रे एनस परवर्ती काल रे खुलिबो दिस टाइप ऑफ एनिमल्स आर कॉल्ड एज द प्रोटोस्टोम्स और प्रोटेरोस्टोमिक एनिमल किंतु जो मानकर एटा दैट इज द एनस हबो दैट इज माउथ टा परे खुलिबो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द ड्यूटेरोस्टोम जदि दैट इज द ब्लास्टोपोरटा एनस हुए आउ प्रथमे तैयारी हुए खुलिबो आउ परवर्ती काल रे एपटरे माउथ तैयारी होबो दैट इज दे आर कॉल्ड एज द ड्यूटेरोस्टोम तेणु प्रोटेरोस्टोम किए मोलुस्का एनेलिडा आर्थर दैट इज एनेलिडा मोलुस्का निमेंथिलिमिंथिस दिस आर दैट इज द आर्थ्रोपोडा एनेलिडा होची जो अंगुरीय माल आर्थ्रोपोडा होची संधिपदी हला मोलुस्का होची गेंडा सामुका ए मानकर कोन हुए प्रोटोस्टोम तांकर प्रथमे माउथ तैयारी हुए आ एटा ब्लास्टोपोरटा माउथ को कन्वर्ट हुए सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द प्रोटोस्टोम and deuterostomes होचंदी that is the mammals echinodermata to chordates एडा को समस्त होचंती mammals echinodermata होची starfish हला तारा माछ ए सब जाता आउ अप टू दी कोडेट्स होची बेंग साप सब एडा दिस आर कोडेट्स परे जानिबो कोडेट्स एडा सब होचंती डिटोरोस्टोम सेति पई आमे कोन कहिबा ना दी वी आर मोर क्लोजर और दी mammals आर मोर क्लोजर टू दी echinoderms not to the insect and mollusca or arthropoda clear so let me start the body symmetry let me start another are you understanding me or not I think that is you should clear then you come to the another thing that is called as the body symmetry then you come to the that is the another is body symmetry what is body symmetry that is the symmetry of the body symmetry what is the symmetry what is the body symmetry clear here the symmetry means that is the symmetry refers to the arrangement of the body organs surrounding the central axis or body axis of the body तामाने बॉडी जते ऑर्गन सब अच्छी से माने केमिति सजै हे कि रहिचंती अराउंड द सेंट्रल एक्सिस रो दी साइड रे बॉडी रो जो पार्ट गुडा अछि से माने केमिति सजै हे कि रहिचंती हला ए सजैबाटा whether they can be divided equally or they cannot be divided क्लियर एमिति अनुसार दैट इज द एटा को कहा होची कोन ना बॉडी सिमेट्री दैट इज द अरेंजमेंट और द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द बॉडी पार्ट्स inside the body surrounding or in respect to the that is the body axis in respect to the body axis that is called as the body axis whether they can be equally divided or they are not equally divided. In that regards, that is the animals are divided into so many groups. Clear? तामाने बॉडी रे जो पार्ट गुड़ा रहिला हार्ट हो लंग्स हो किडनी हो दैट इज हाथ हो आखि हो कान हो ए जो ऑर्गन गुड़ा रहिला से बॉडी रे केमिति सजै की रही छी हैला गुड़ हो हाथ हो ए माने बॉडी रे केमिति सजै की रहिचंती दैट इज द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द different parts of the body surrounding the central axis of the body, whether they can be divided equally or not divided. Clear? So in that way, symmetry of the animals is divided into two parts. Of the animals are divided into two parts. One is asymmetrical animals and another is symmetrical animals. One is asymmetrical animals, another is that is the symmetrical animals. Clear? I have described you or I have that is said you from the beginning. A means no or absent or absent. A means no or absent. Clear? Asymmetry means there is no similarity in the arrangement of the organs in the body. Clear? There is no similarity. I have told you in the first class that is the LS, that is or it is VS, and that is TS or CS. TS or CS. Clear? If it is the body and this is the body axis, that is the axis. If I will cut the body in this line, this is called as the CS or TS. If I cut the body or divide the body in this way, that is called as the LS or VS. Are you understanding me or not? Clear? So that is the vertical section or longitudinal section. This is cross section or transverse section. Clear? साधारणतः एठी सब LS निया जाए और VS निया जाए. Clear? Asymmetrical animals किए. Now those animals which cannot be divided into two equal halves, they are called as the asymmetrical animal. These animals cannot be divided into two equal halves by any plane. Either it may be the CS or it may be the LS. Clear? Whatever the section may be, but it cannot be that section cannot be divided the animal's body into two equal halves. Clear? So this is called, they are called as the asymmetrical animals, like your amoeba. That is example is amoeba and some sponges and some, that is the sponges and some corals, that is the sponges, some sponges, not all, some and some corals and some mollusca, that is the pila and snail. So these are the asymmetrical animals. Pila means genda, snail means samuka. Clear? So these are the asymmetrical animal. Then you come to the next one, that is called as the symmetrical animal. So what do you mean by the symmetrical animal? So these animals can be divided into two equal halves by any means. Into two equal halves by any means. And it is of three types. It is of three types. It is of three types. One is of three types. One is the spherical symmetry, symmetrical animals. Another is bilateral, symmetrical or bilaterally symmetrical animals. Another is radially symmetrical animal. Radially or bilaterally symmetrical and radially symmetrical animals. That is the spherical symmetrical animal, radial or radially symmetrical animal, and that is the bilateral symmetrical animal or radially symmetrical animal. So first you come to the spherical symmetrical animal. So these animals can be divided, the body of these animals can be divided into two equal halves by any plane of section, either it may be the TS or LS. Clear? That is the volvox, some sponges and some, that is the corals. They are, sorry, these are not the asymmetrical are not the corals. Here the spherical are the corals. That is the corals. That is in asymmetrical, that is amoeba, and that is the pila, snail, and some sponges, not corals. Clear? Here it is the example is volvox, and the example is volvox, some sponges and some corals. Some sponges and some coral, some corals. प्रबाल ग्रंथि जानिथिबो कोराल्स हला समुद्र रे मिले दैट इज द स्फेरिकल सिमेट्रिकल ता माने एठी जे प्रकार काटिले आइदर एटा टीएस नियो किंबा सीएस नियो किंबा एलएस नियो जे कोनोसी सेक्शन नेले ए एनिमल ओडा का समान दी भाग रे होतिबे एसिमेट्रिकल जे कोनोसी नेले भी दी भाग हेबे नाही सेडा किए किए ना दैट इज द एमोइबा एंड दैट इज द पाइला एंड द स्नेल and some sponges. एठी कौन ना volvox and some sponges and some corals. Clear? Then you come to the, first you come to the radial symmetrical. First you come to the bilateral and the, that is the radial, bilateral or laterally, and the, that is the radially or radial symmetrical. Bilateral, bi means two. Lateral, dita side, bilateral symmetrical animal. आमे जदि आम गोटे भार्टिकल प्लेन आणिकी एमिति भाटिक गोटे छुरी आणिकी बा खंडा आणिकी एमिति आमको काटी दिया हबो भार्टिकली नाक सीधारे एमिति काटी देले आमे दी भाग हवा दीटा that is image of that is left and right दीटा हाफ है जीवो lateral side एपटे गोटे साइड एपटे जहाँ रहिबो सेपटे रहिबो एपटे गोटे आखि नाकर दी भाग है जीवो हार्ट रे दी भाग है जीवो हला किडनी दी भाग है जीवो सो हाथ एपटे गोटे सेपटे गोटे रहिबो प्राय समान समस्त प्राय समान हबो हला सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द bilateral. So this animal can be divided into two equal halves, left and right halves, by a single plane. That is, they are called as the bilateral symmetrical animals. All the chordates and all the vertebrates are bilateral symmetrical. Clear? Then you come to the radial symmetrical. Radial symmetrical means it is the, here it is only one plane, but it is more than one plane. If the animal's body can be divided into two equal halves by more than one, that is the vertical planes, then it is called as the radial symmetrical. Example is the hydra. Example is, that is the hydra and starfish, they are called as the radially symmetrical animal. एटा केवल गुटिए प्लेन ले दी भाग हबो एटा मोर देन वन प्लेन ले दी भाग हेई पारुथले ताकू को आजिवा रेडियली सिमेट्रिकल एनिमल रेडियल सिमेट्रिकल और रेडियली सिमेट्रिकल एनिमल्स. क्लियर? ए रेडियल सिमेट्रिकल एनिमल ता दी भाग रे विभक्त हे गला. गोटे होची कोन ना बाई रेडियल आ गोटे होची पेंटा रेडियल गोटे होची बाई रेडियल बाई मीन्स दी दुई ता माने एटा गुटिए प्लेन लबो बाई लेटरल दीटा लेटरल साइड लेफ्ट और राइट एटा होची बाई रेडियल माने गुटे दैट इज दीटा प्लेन ले से दी भाग हेई परथुबो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द बाई रेडियल एनिमल्स. एंड द बाई रेडियल एनिमल्स आर जेलीफिश एंड सी एनिमल. दे आर कॉल्ड एज द बाइलेटरल, दैट इज द बाई रेडियल एनिमल्स. देन अनदर इज द पेंटा रेडियल माने पांचटा प्लेन ले स्टारफिश, दैट इज स्टारफिश. स्टारफिश टा इमिति काटिले एक दुई हाफ हाफ एपटा एक दुई हाफ सेमिति दैट इज द इमिति काटिले ए दैट इज दुई दुई आउ एटा हाफ हाफ एमती दैट इज पांचटा प्लेन लाइन काटिकी दीटा समान भाग आम पाई दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द पेंटा रेडियली सिमेट्रिकल सो दैट इज अदर थिंग्स I will discuss in the next class. Thank you to all.